nag-start talaga yan nung bata ako. Mahilig talaga ako sa sasakyan. Ang isa sa mga payo sa akin ng father ko, dapat hindi ka lang marunong mag-drive. Kailangan marunong ka maglinis ng sasakyan. Tumatak talaga sa isip ko yon. So, simula bata ako hanggang high school, college, ako yung lagi naglilinis ng sasakyan. Tapos nung dumating yung time na afford ko nang bumili ng mga products, siyempre start ka muna mga big names, bibili ka, trial and error. Hanggang sa eventually, nung may sarili na akong sasakyan, meron akong product na hindi ko talaga mahanap sa mall. And then suddenly, na-discover ko yun. So doon na nag-start yung aking selling business ng mga car detailing, pang DIY lang na products. And then, the rest is history na. Nag-start ako dun sa product ko na acid rain and watermarks remover. So, ang name ng product is Premium Auto Care Products. And then, yun kasi yung product na talagang nakilala ko. Kasi it's very easy to use. Kahit yung mga hindi naman walang idea about car detailing, kaya nilang gamitin. After that product, I also released yung aking multi-purpose cleaner na mainly ginagamit siya for interior. Pang DIY din siya. So basically, karamihan ng mga products ko nung nagsisimula ako for DIY. And it can also be used by professional. After nung multi-purpose cleaner, nag-release din ako ng engine degreaser. So yung engine degreaser ko, very effective siya, water-based, at very easy to use din. After several years, meron akong na-develop din na dalawang product pa. Yung una, yung asphalt remover. And then after that, meron din akong na-develop na kung tawagin namin is mineral deposit remover. So ito naman mostly ang gumagamit ito mga professionals na. Ito yung ginagamit namin to remove grimes before car detailing. 2017, doon ako nag-start ng car detailing. 2020, nandito ako until now, nandito pa rin kami. The name of our shop is Jason's Premium Auto Care Detailing. Yung mga services natin is more on car detailing. So when you say car detailing, ito yung mga exterior detailing, or kung tawagin nila, layman's term is buffing. And then we also specialize in interior detailing. So going back sa exterior detailing, aside dun sa traditional na polishing or buffing, we also specialize in ceramic coating. Yan yung mga modern way to protect our paint. Also, yun nga, interior detailing, we also do engine degreasing, we also do engine detailing, yun yung mas thorough cleaning ng engine bay. We also do sanitation, we have ozone sanitation here, we have yung mga back to zero na sinasanitize yung loob ng sasakyan natin. And also, of course, we also offer mga car wash services like wash and wax. Yan. Tapos, yun, medyo premium style or yung process natin dito sa shop natin. Most of the time, yes, puro cars ang ginagawa namin dito, SUV, sedan, but we also cater van. Yung mga vans, yung mga customer namin na mga may van, nagpapa-exterior detailing din sila, nagpapa-interior. And nowadays, medyo dumadami na yung mga big bike, mga Vespa, even regular scooter, ng mga NMAX, yan, ginagawa na rin namin siya dito. Iba-iba, yung iba gusto lang nila deep cleaning, yung iba naman ceramic coating din, and then yung iba naman polishing or buffing ng mga motorcycle nila. I would like to invite everyone to first check our page, Jason's Premium Auto Care Detailing, and you can also visit us here at T3 Santa Agueda Commercial Building, West Service Road, Barangay Merville, Parañaque City.